Welcome to Get Crafty with Kate. This is my third video in my How to Knit series. As mentioned in my previous video, How to Knit, I discuss how knitting patterns are made up with two different stitches, the knit stitch and the purl stitch. For example, this is the stockinette stitch, which has knitted stitches on the front and purled stitches in the back. A big difference between purling and knitting is the placement of the working yarn. When you're knitting, the yarn is behind the working needle, but when you're purling, the yarn is in the front. Insert the working needle like so into the stitch, wrap the working yarn around your working needle, pull that yarn through the stitch, and then slip the stitch off the needle. Again, take the working needle and insert it into the front of the stitch like so, wrap the working yarn around the needle, pull that yarn through the stitch, and then slip the stitch off the needle. Like with knitting, this will soon become muscle memory and you won't even have to pay attention to what you're doing. Purling does seem to be more tedious and slower pace than knitting, but with the combination of now knitting and purling, you can create so many different projects. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Happy knitting!